Good morning. Let's get ready. I'm going in with two primers today. The Sephora Oil one and the Flower Beauty Hydrating one. I just feel really dry, so I need some hydration. So I'm pretty sure you can hear the heater, so I'm really sorry, but it's freaking freezing and I just can't deal. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. I need my makeup to last all day because my mom's arriving today and she's arriving at 7 p.m. So I'm going to be in the office all day and then I'm going directly from the office to pick her up. So I need this to go on for 12 plus hours today. I'm going in with my concealer first. This is the Multitasker Rimmel Concealer, and I'm going to dot this where I normally would, and then I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm just having a lot of redness for some reason, so we're switching things up. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I haven't been filming as much just because I've been running late in the mornings, and frankly speaking, I just haven't had the energy. I've been working so early. I've been working 12 plus hours a day in the office. I'm going in with this foundation. So I've been getting ready at like 5:30 or 6:30 or depending on like what time I need to go to the office. So I just haven't had the chance to actually film because I'm usually like half asleep. I still do makeup, but I'm just like in my sleep doing it. Um, so I've been super exhausted of late. I'm just gonna quickly set this face with the spray, and then I'm going to blend this out, and I'll be right back. I'm going in with the Mario sculpting thing, going in with Joy from Rare Beauty, setting everything with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, going in with the City Bronzer from Maybelline. For blush, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Twinkle Pink. All right, brows in place. I've just added this shade from the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. Blush and everything is done. I'm just going to quickly set my face with the Morphe spray, and then I'll do mascara in the office as per usual. For lips, I'm going in with Charming from Essence. Going to keep it really simple with my lips today. I'm going in with the Shein Jelly Wow, what is this, lip oil, I think? All right, that is the finished look. I've just dried my hair. This lip oil is literally so good. I absolutely love it. But anyways, I'm gonna do my mascara in the office like I said, but I hope you guys have an amazing day. Take care and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.